Okay, so I have my Delta faucet head here, and I want to take out the water flow restrictor. So that blue in there is part of it, but it would appear that the biggest culprit is this ring. It's a rubber ring, and underneath it are a bunch of holes that allow the water to pass. So hypothetically speaking, if we remove this ring, I'm just going to use my little pin here. Use a sewing needle, what have you. Bear with me for a moment while I dig this out. I'm going to need 2 hands for this. One moment. Okay, there we have it. I popped that ring out. Just got a little rubber ring. Now if you look inside here, see all those holes are clear now. So we're going to give this a try and see how this goes.